stop tensing up.
Tensing up, she's grabbing my... What's on me? Look at me. Back up. What's on me? What's on me?
Sit down.
I want my wallet and my keys.
Get in the car.
Where's on my... Really? Okay. Okay. You're gonna get sued. You're gonna get sued. You're gonna...
Hello.
Hi.
How are you? Officer Delayed in the Cape Coral Police Department. The reason I pulled you over is you passed us going 51 on Del Prado, and then you're going about 65 on Veterans, driving in and out of traffic. Do you have your license and registration on you?
Yeah, I need napkins. I have sinus problems. I think my registration's in here. I don't know. Hold on, let me give you my license.
Okay.
That.
Thank you. Any luck on that registration?
Yes, I have my registration. I gotta find... Hold on. I'm sorry.
It's okay. No, you're sorry.
I don't know where the I put it, honestly. It's in a book. Or... Oh, wait. Hold on.
Where are you coming from tonight?
I picked them up.
Who's them?
Them.
Friends, family?
Friends.
Yep.
Here, love.
Thank you.
What's that?
I have your number.
Do you have an odor? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. So, go ahead and set that stuff up there because we don't need it right now. You've seen this?
Yeah.
Have you used it on a DUI investigation?
I've not known.
Alright, so the way this works is, so you're going to ask her to step out of the car. She comes out, you're going to explain to her that you've got some signs of impairment. You're going to start a DUI investigation. If she asks what you're talking about, you could say, you got odor of alcohol coming from you.
Slurred speech.
There's slurred speech, bloodshot, glassy eyes. Did she have bloodshot, glassy eyes?
A little bit.
Okay.
I mean, I didn't have a perfect look of her eyes, but her,
Okay.
her speech was slurred, and then I had to keep reminding her to get her registration.
All right. And then you can just say that there's a few other items that I'm seeing. You don't have to go into great detail because then it can become an argument.
Yeah.
But at least you have two indicators, right? And then you can always, your driving's a little aggressive as well, Also, there was a time there that she was crossing the lines. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
When we came up here, she hit that.
She moved over a little bit.
Yeah. So I'll have that. So when you get her out, you're going to say, hey, I want to start a DUI investigation. Are you willing to participate in standardized field?
Sobriety exercise.
Yep. And then from here, you just start at the bottom. Are you sick or injured? Do you have any physical limitations? Right here. The only one that I would, or there's two, doctor, dentist. All right. And then when you say physical limitations, any problem with your hips, your knees, your ankles, your legs, anything like that? No. All right. Are you seeing a doctor or dentist for anything regularly? Type of stuff. And then right here.
Is it just yes or no, or do I get their name?
If they have info, go ahead and draw it. You can write whatever you want on this. You write notes. Yeah. Eyeglasses, contacts, are you blind in either eye? And then from here, we'll do this. All right? Yeah. I'm going to have you do HGN, and then I'm going to do it and check it. Okay? So I'll explain it to her once you do that HGN, and then we'll move into walk and turn one leg stand. It's occupied twice. There's a female in the front as well. All right? So, and then we're going to go ahead and come up with...
Hello, ma'am. Would you step out for me?
Why?
I'm asking you to, please.
No, but I need to know why.
Well, I don't have to tell you why, but I'm going to. I sense some signs of impairment.
Oh my.
Just wait in the car. Just wait in the car.
Oh, okay. All right.
Why does it make everything complicated?
Just relax. It's okay.
Step out for me.
But why? Can I ask why?
Yeah, we'll go over it once we're out here.
Okay.
Yeah, just step over here for me.
So the reason we're having you come out is we're seeing signs of impairment and we want to start a DUI investigation. That means you participating in standardized field sobriety evaluations. Are you willing to participate in standardized field?
No, I'm not impaired. I'm dropping them off over here. I'm going home. I live right off of Nicholas.
Okay. So the only way we can go forward from this is if you participate. If you don't participate, we have to make our judgment based off the observations we've seen so far.
What is your judgment for you to feel that way?
You have slurred speech, an odor of alcohol.
I don't have slurred speech. I don't have alcohol.
If you don't participate in standardized field sobriety evaluations, then you can't dispel our fear of your impairment. Okay? So are you willing to participate in standardized field sobriety evaluations?
What does that include?
We're going to check your eyes, and then we're going to have you do the walk and turn and the one leg stand.
Whatever.
Okay.
So you're willing to participate?
I'm not blowing, but you can do whatever the f you want to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just step right in front of the car over here.
So you put you in front of the light so you can feel impaired. Fantastic.
Well, why would the light make you feel impaired?
Because it puts your judgment off, obviously.
All right, so I have some questions for you, okay? Are you sick and injured at all?
But why did you pull me over? Why
pulled
did
you over
Why was I pulled over?
First off, you passed us going 51 on Del Prado. We followed you on Veterans, weaving in and out of traffic, going 60 miles an hour on Veterans.
66 miles.
66 miles an hour.
What? Do you have your proof of that?
Yes. Our observations.
Our
Yes.
observations. As long as-
Observation is proof?
Yeah.
I don't
Do you
think
want to participate?
so. If I don't, then what? You arrest me?
We have to
Make it a judgment.
What's your judgment?
It's up to you whether or not you want to participate.
I mean, I'm not drunk.
Okay?
If I were or weren't speeding, I'm not saying either or,
So
but
the
I'm
question
not
I have.
impaired.
Okay, so my question for you is: would you like to participate in some field sobriety exercises to dispel my fear that you may be intoxicated?
Am I allowed to, like, research first?
Research? No.
It's just yes or no.
No.
You don't want to?
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, fine, then yes.
Put your hands.
Then yes, yes.
We're not going back and forth with this.
Why?
Okay? Because.
Stop.
Oh, that's
We're not going back.
Now I'm resisting.
Stop
that's
pulling
very
away.
forceful.
Stop pulling away.
Make sure you record. Make sure you record because this is a normal thing for Florida. Oh, I'm resisting. Oh my God, I'm 100 pounds. I'm resisting.
Stop pulling away.
Resisting.
Woohoo, I'm resisting. What did I do?
Stop pulling away.
What did I do?
Stop pulling away.
What did I do? What did I do? What did I do?
Stop resisting.
What did I
Stop
do?
pulling.
Tensing up. Stop.
I'm I'm tensing up. Okay, I got 3 cops on me, and I'm 130 pounds, not even, and I'm tensing up. Okay. What the f is that?
Stop pulling.
Really? This is okay. Okay. But I need my phone and I need my wallet.
Okay.
If you want to arrest me
Here you go.
for doing nothing, so okay. Blow me. You want to blow? You want to blow? You want to blow?
Yes.
Come on.
The next thing we were going to ask you to do
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it
provide
right
a
now.
sample of your breath. to
Let's
determine
do
how-
it right now.
Okay, we're gonna
right now. Let's do
take you down
it. Let's do it.
Get in the car right now. You open that again, you're going to jail. Do you understand me?
You're grabbing me like that?
Will you keep tensing up?
Oh, okay. You know what's funny
Go ahead and pat her down, put her in the car.
Yeah.
Come over here for me. Come over here.
Stop pulling.
Hey, record this.
Face the car.
Okay.
Stop
Don't
tensing up.
Are you trying to? What are you doing, bro? Are you trying to like assault me? Ew, she's grabbing me.
Stop tensing up.
Tensing up, she's grabbing my. What's on me? Look at me. Back up. What's on me? What's on me?
Sit down.
I want my wallet and my keys.
Get
and
in
my
the car.
Where's all my? Really? Okay. Okay. You're gonna get sued. You're gonna get sued. You're gonna get sued. You're gonna get sued.
Let's deal with that. Pick it up.
that one mine?
This one's yours, sir.
Thank you. Have them go ahead and step on it. All right.
Stepping out for me.
What is met this
Would you
one?
like me out?
Just come back here, back of the car. Step out for me.
Yes, sir.
Back of the car.
Yes, sir. Sorry. We just met her tonight, and we were just trying to get to the next bar, and that's all that was happening. And she said, we'll take you to the next bar, and that was it. That was all that happened tonight.
So you don't know her personally at all?
No, sir. No, sir.
We just met her at Rusty's.
Yeah, we just met her tonight. We were only at Rusty's for like an hour, and then we went to the deck. We had one drink there, and then we were on our way here. And we were like, would you mind chopping this off? And then she's like, yeah, I can take you. And then we didn't know she was
Signal 1
doing this, like out of her to stay the speed limit. We didn't know. And yes, I know it's illegal double passengering. But she was just gonna drop us off here, and we were gonna Uber from here. That's it.
Do you guys have licenses or ID cards?
Yes,
I have my
yes,
ID.
I have ID. Yes. I just don't know why she was making, like I said, I don't know why she would make a big scene. And, like, you guys were just telling her to get out. That was it. She would be like, why this, why that? Just following the rules, just do what they say, please. Like, I was trying to tell her, but she's like, no. No, not really. No,
We
not
just
really.
met her
Yeah,
at Rusty's.
she was already there.
So you
before
weren't
we
with her
were.
the whole time?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, she was already there before
Maybe like
we
30
were.
minutes.
Yeah.
Did you see her drink anything while you were at Rusty's?
This probably had
No.
like a shot of tequila, maybe.
Tequila.
She had a shot, and then at the deck, she had a shot. That's all we
And then we came here.
Okay.
Yeah. I've never gotten in trouble with cops before, so this is like my first time, and I'm like nervous about it. So that's why I'm all shaky and antsy.
You guys are both good?
Okay.
Thank you.
Please.
Thank you for your time.
Try and being safe, walking.
Yes, yes. And
And-
I'm actually, like I said,
Get an
I
Uber.
apologize for what you guys have to deal with all the time. I know it's probably rough for you guys. It shouldn't be at all.
All right, we're going to that mobility.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, you guys have a good
Be
night.
safe.
Thank you. Be
Thank
safe.
you guys.
Cape Coral 4301, I'll get a check-in 10-4.
Are we leaving?
Yeah.
Can I please get my wallet and my phone because I don't have any like
Yep. Grab a wallet, phone. Do you have house keys?
my car.
Do you have house keys?
What we just witnessed is a textbook example of how quickly a routine DUI stop can escalate. Not necessarily because of the initial suspicion, but because of how the interaction unfolds between the officer and the driver. Let's break this down step by step. First, the stop itself. The officer clearly articulates multiple reasons for pulling her over: speeding, clocked significantly above the limit, and erratic driving behavior, including weaving through traffic and crossing lane lines. Legally, that alone gives officers reasonable suspicion to initiate a stop and begin further investigation. Now, once contact is made, the officer begins identifying classic DUI indicators: slurred speech, odor of alcohol, and difficulty following simple instructions like locating registration. These are not minor details. They are key factors officers are trained to observe and document. Now here's where things begin to shift. Instead of cooperating, the driver immediately challenges the process. She repeatedly asks why, even after being given explanations, and begins questioning the validity of observations as proof. This is a critical turning point. In DUI investigations, compliance with field sobriety tests is voluntary, but refusal doesn't stop the investigation. In fact, it often strengthens the officer's suspicion because it removes the opportunity for the driver to demonstrate sobriety. And that's exactly what happens here. The officer offers her a chance to participate in standardized field sobriety tests, tools designed to either confirm or dispel impairment. Instead of clearly agreeing or refusing, she goes back and forth, hesitates, challenges authority, and delays the process. Legally speaking, that indecision combined with existing indicators can justify an arrest based on probable cause. Then comes the escalation. Once the officer decides to detain her, we see physical resistance, not in the form of striking or attacking, but through tensing up, pulling away, and refusing to comply with instructions. This is what leads to the additional charge, Resisting arrest without violence. A lot of people misunderstand this. Resistance doesn't have to be aggressive to be illegal. Even passive resistance, like stiffening your arms or refusing to be handcuffed, can meet that threshold. What's also interesting is the contrast between her behavior and her passengers. They remain calm, cooperative, and even acknowledge that she had been drinking. Their statements, admitting she had shots earlier, further support the officer's decision-making process. This highlights an important reality. In situations like this, your behavior matters just as much as the evidence itself. By the end of the case, the legal consequences reflect both aspects of the incident, the DUI and the resisting arrest charge. 6 months of probation, DUI school, community service, and a license suspension. These are standard penalties, but they also show how costly a moment of poor decision-making can become. So here's the real question for you. Do you think this situation could have ended differently if she had simply cooperated from the beginning? Or do you believe the officers escalated things too quickly? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, because cases like this always spark debate. And if you found this breakdown insightful and as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom and police encounter breakdowns just like this one.